It started with a hurricane.
¿Qué pasó?
Mr. Murrow, we're still waiting on the blood analysis reports to determine whether or not there's a match between you and your son. We've also placed him on the transplant waiting list. The only thing that we can really do right now is wait. I've also been informed that there was some sort of insurance issue that we need to take care of. Someone's going to come out to talk to you about that. And we just really want to clear that up as soon as possible because you need to focus on Isaac. I assure you that we're doing everything we can and we're closely monitoring the situation.
Can I just see him?
Sure, he's that way. He should be waking up soon.
I'm gonna leave these papers here with you. You have all the information inside, okay? Have a good day.
Natural disasters. Who can you blame them for occurring? God? Humans? Or Mother Nature?
Hey, Carla. You hungry?
Haven't had much of an appetite all day.
No. You know we're gonna figure it out like we always do. If we have to empty out our savings, fuck it. Don't even think twice.
Gigi, our savings aren't even 5% of the bill. I feel crazy. I could rob a bank right now.
Ay, no seas pendeja. You know how to make quick money. Look, I don't like it either. But if Isaac really needs it, then we'll just a couple of nights if it means that we could actually save him. Come to the club. These guys are playing with real money. You're not making that money anywhere else, I'll tell you that for sure.
Gigi, I'm not 18 anymore. And Isaac isn't a clueless baby.
Fine. Then let's go rob a bank.
What if I stole the money from one of your clients? You said it yourself, they have it on them.
I mean, they get more careless every day. Most of them just carried in duffel bags, like fucking idiots.
All that money just to fuel a little gambling addiction. Fine, okay. I'll get in the door as an escort, but I'm only leaving with the winner.
That could be anybody. And we'll need to pick a target before the hunt. Wait, you remember Fabian?
Fabian? I don't know if that's easy prey, Gigi. I remember him being pretty explosive.
That was a long time ago. Look, he's working on his temper, all right? I'll give you something that'll knock him out. Just as long as you're pleasant, you wait for it to kick in, and then act. We'll make it easy. So we'll monitor the cards all night, and we'll end up with a lucky winner. Fucking Fabian. You know, he's always at my table, and lately, he's been cashing out big. It won't even turn heads. Plus, y'all are acquainted, so I'm sure he'll be looking for you at the end of the night.
God damn!
Here, let me help you with that.
No, you've done enough. This cost. Oh, what a surprise to see you here. Excuse me, I was dealing with this clumsy server.
How terrible. Do you want me to take your jacket? I can have it dry
Sure,
by the end of the
sure.
game.
Actually, this game is gonna be over soon. So, I have a better idea. Why don't you take it up to my room and we can catch up for the old time's sake?
I'll be waiting.
This is definitely my night.
got all the house.
Which one do you like? Which one's your house?
This one.
Those are your house. Both of those are yours? I'm gonna go. Oh! You hit me right in the head.
How did you know we were celebrating?
I had a feeling. I hope you like recycling.
I love it. It's my mom's favorite. Cheers. You look amazing.
So, how did the game go?
After I saw you, my hand kept getting better and better. You're officially my lucky charm.
You're too sweet.
So where did you run off to?
Nowhere in particular.
How's your kid?
Doing all right.
Why are you leaving so soon?
Oh, you seemed kind of tired, and I wasn't sure if you were gonna want me to stay for so long.
You're upsetting me, Carla. No, let's talk for a minute. Relax. I just want to clear things up. You seem unstable. You put something in there.
Oh, Carla, you really did it! I helped you out. I made sure your kid had everything. You cannot take away from me and expect me not to take away from you.
In the tough conditions of the wilderness, a mother's instinct is to protect them from nature's lessons. When the pride is vulnerable, Queen of the Jungle will do anything to save her cubs. So much to gain, and so much to lose. All for one purpose, to stay alive.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Isaac.